Hey, it's Shubomi from Parallel Leads, and in this video, I'll show you how to configure LinkedIn account working hours in Ulink. So we're doing this so that campaign activities can run only during safe hours on LinkedIn. So obviously, the first step to do is you click on whatever account profile you want to configure. So once you do that, it brings you to this place. So after that, you click on the set account schedule. Yeah, so after you initial account, you see this place, the time zone. This time zone is talking basically about like the time zone of the client or the prospect. So once that is being selected, then you come here to put, you just configure, you select the time range you want your profile to be active, like they say right here. So it's either maybe whatever hours, but for the sake of this video, let's just use 8 to 6 p.m. Yeah, that's okay. And you come here for the working days. Obviously, working days are like the weekdays, so Monday to Friday. Then you come here and disable Saturday, Sunday, right? Most outreach team keep activity on work days, so like it's like the normal LinkedIn behavior. So they don't like operate during weekends. So yeah, so make sure whatever changes you make, you click on updates to update the status, to update wherever you've configured. So yeah, that's it for configuring LinkedIn working hours in Ulink. Yeah, so the main purpose of us doing this is to keep outreach activities safe and natural. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.